Okay, now let him up. He smells treats. All right, let him up. Usually this will just come out of nowhere. He'll just spaz out after we go for, like, do anything. And he just won't let go of your arm once he lets go. So we're not going to give you that demonstration just because of the simple fact. Sit! He thinks I have food.